This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking or creating a Google Cloud project so credentials are scoped properly. Next, enable billing because Maps requests require a billing account to use the free tier and prevent unexpected denials. Once billing is attached, go to APIs and Services and turn on the Maps SDK for Android. This step lets the platform issue keys that work with Android package restrictions. Make sure your Google account has owner or editor rights before proceeding to key creation. Now create an API key and credentials and immediately apply restrictions to keep it safe. Use Android app restrictions. Enter your app's package name and the SHA-1 signing certificate fingerprint so only your signed app can use the key. Then limit the key to only the Maps SDK for Android and any other specific APIs required. This reduces surface area if the key leaks. Once set, copy the key to your clipboard and prepare to embed it in your app's manifest or secure server configuration. Finally, add the API key to your Android manifest or a secure build config and rebuild the app. When you run the app, validate that the map tiles render and that the Google Cloud Console shows successful requests and no quota or billing errors. If the map is blank or you see authentication errors, recheck the SHA-1 fingerprint, package name, and that the Maps SDK and billing are enabled. Also inspect console error messages for rate limits or missing API permissions. This single check resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.